everyone! Today we decided to shoot a video about balancing on a balance board. What's a balance board? It's a really heavy, almost impossible setup. And for this, we'll need a cylindrical base, a board that we'll place on top, and that's it. But since the guys on our team are crazy... No, you didn't get it. I meant crazy. So for them, a regular balance board is a piece of cake.
I somehow hit my head.
That's why we decided to push the limits and make the world's biggest balance board. When I say the biggest, I mean seriously, for real, the world's, seriously, the biggest balance board. It's too close. By the way, I've never even tried to stand on a balance board in my life. This is my first time. I'm in. I'm really scared. Crap. Utter crap. It's very difficult. Whew. Let's see how many seconds I can stand, even if it's just milliseconds. Now, on the count of 3. 1, 2, I'll go for 1 second. 3. Done. I couldn't do it any longer.
2.97 seconds. 1 second, 22.
Oh, damn! 1, 2. Is this... What? How long?
My stopwatch died.
This is stupid! Screw it! Apparently, balance is definitely not my thing. After about 50 or maybe even 100 attempts, I could only hold on to it for about 3 seconds. Woohoo!
298.
Shut up! Alright, balancing is not my thing. But since I'm not alone here, as a tradition, the second episode in a row, we'll have a competition. Who can last longer? Each of the guys gets a balance board. Now, I'll start the timer and you'll start balancing. So whoever lasts longer on the balance board won't get anything. 1, 2, 3. Aha, -1. -2. -3. -4. Ah, minus everyone, right? 25 seconds. 2 remaining. Oh, damn it! 1. Yeah! Alex, 40 seconds. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Yeah! Your results, 2 minutes, 32 seconds. Woo-hoo! When I said the winner wouldn't get anything, I lied to you. You've won a ticket to another challenge. What do you think this challenge is?
I think it'll be a balance board that's much larger and I'll have to stand on it.
No. Take 2 cylinders, put a platform on them, on top add another cylinder, well, and of course the board. Very stable. What do you think, Alex? Will you survive?
I'm not entirely sure about this setup, but I can give it a try.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Well, I managed about 1.5 seconds.
You lasted 1 second, 41 milliseconds. Let's try again.
Oh, come on.
Okay. No, that's not possible, seriously.
Come on, Alex. yes, I keep the bank rolling.
This is even cooler than it was before.
I don't know how you did it, but on the larger setup, nonetheless, you lasted 7 seconds, 40 milliseconds.
Woo! I even did a trick.
We decided to make things more challenging and create a medium-sized balance board. Making a balance board is very simple. Take this plate, place sticks on it as supports, then place another small circle on top, and 3 sticks. And another circle on top. In short, if you look at it from the side, it looks like this. Now take a galvanized sheet and cover the cylinder frame. It's like standing for the first time, right?
Yeah! Finally! Not to meet. It's just. I'm tired.
Does it feel heavier or lighter than the small one?
Well, it's hard to tell if it's more difficult or not, but it's the same level of control. But since the board is heavy, my legs are really feeling it. My calves are crumping up.
As you can see, the cylinder isn't completely finished yet. Nevertheless, we've come up with something cool for it. What? You'll see right now. Pilots, get ready in your positions.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm ready for takeoff.
1, 2, 3. Ready to come back?
Not really. That was awesome. That was very painful, though. Indescribable emotions, like riding a roller coaster. A pretty awesome ride until like halfway, and then everything started hitting the ground. The head, the elbows, the hands, the head, everything, literally.
Ta-da! And here is the biggest balance board. At least it will be when we place on it an enormous board. As you can see, it's very heavy. And somehow I feel like it'll be very challenging to control. Nonetheless, Alex, I think it'd be very logical to offer you to balance it alone. Are you ready? And here we go. Let's lift him up. Come on.
Go on.
It looks so massive. I think it's impossible to balance on this balance board alone because the weight is barely noticeable compared to the overall structure. But let's see. 1, 2, 3.
You have to run back and forth too quickly to catch any kind of balance. 1, 2, 3. my jaw.
So Alex managed about 10 seconds, which is quite a good result. Alex, do you think you can hold it for 30 seconds? Can you? Let's go.
Decided everything without me, as usual.
How many seconds?
21.
My hands are sweating.
35. 45. 50. The minute is up.
How long?
1 minute 22.
I think Alex could have lasted longer if he simply froze. He didn't move or make any unnecessary movements. Alex, how much easier or harder is it to balance on the larger board?
Well, until it starts moving, it's pretty simple because you're just standing there and not really doing much. But when it starts swaying side to side, maintaining balance becomes literally impossible because the platform itself is extremely heavy.
But we're not gonna stop there. We're moving on to the next stage. Now, on the balancing board, we're gonna put 2 people. Lift up. 3.
Hold on.
It's a really unusual sensation, actually.
You're standing too steadily, so now let's start
Swinging?
No. Walk towards each other simultaneously and change places.
It keeps rolling. Okay, I get it. We gotta switch faster. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Let go. 1, 2, 3.
Get back.
Okay, so we've realized you balance pretty well, but jumping across is impossible. Okay, well, maybe it is possible to jump, but only, with practice. So let's have another challenge. You're going to need to balance, and do you know what? Of course not. Catch a watermelon.
Damn it! After any of us caught the watermelon, the board immediately sagged down. Then we had to quickly throw it back to the other to tip the balance for them, and you don't have that. Right now it's getting more intense. Whoa. It's good. It's good. Throw. Catch. Oh, man. When you throw the watermelon and the other person catches it, you feel like you're being lifted up. Oh, damn it!
Now the guys will play football. But where have you seen football played by just 2 guys? Huh? Where?
Where did you see it?
Nowhere. So Stepan, get up. And Vanya, let's go. Now, I'll throw this ball to one of you on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoop.
Bro, I'll have to call you right back.
Penalty.
Stepan, you can't use your hands.
Yeah, I got it.
Now it's your turn.
According to all international championship rules. This is unbelievable. You just roll like on a surfboard, especially when you fall. Really awesome. Falling is way more fun than standing and trying to balance. But too bad we didn't score a goal, though.
Hold on.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
The team on the right is ready.
Let's rock and
The
roll.
team on the left is ready. The structure. Oh!
They're just afraid that we'll topple them over, so they're not balancing on purpose.
Heavy stuff.
Quiet. Keep balancing. Keep balancing.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
That is impossible. What can I say in the end? The more people stand on this platform, the harder it gets. As for football or other games, it's impossible because you need to keep moving constantly. The weight changes from both sides, and well, you got it. But nevertheless, balancing on this thing was fun. At least that's what Alex says. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel. As always, likes from you, and goodbye, everyone.